After this one full semester of English-based leadership class, what benefit do you think you get?
I got
Calvin?
so many benefits from this class after this semester. One of them is I became more confident to speak English in front other people.
I become more speak English with professional than before, while my daily activity is also using English, but in this class I'm trying to speak more confidently and trying to think more critic than before.
Ya saya jadi berpacu dengan yang lain juga gitu. Jadi saya jujur bahasa Inggris 2 saya itu gagal. Nah, semenjak di kelas ini tuh saya tuh menjadi alat pacu saya untuk bisa nanti ikut PPM, biar saya tuh ya misalkan saya ngerjain ujian ataupun apa, ya saya lebih percaya diri gitu. Dan sedikit banyak di sini saya udah mulai memahami ya percakapan Inggris sehari-hari itu seperti apa gitu. Jadi lebih banyak mendapat kata-kata yang harusnya saya belum dapat, jadi saya lebih memahami.
Ya, saya sedikit lebih banyak mengetahui bagaimana menjadi pemimpin yang baik, pertama. Terus yang kedua juga cara mengatasi kayak resistensi karyawan. Nah, bonusnya ya saya juga bisa melatih sedikit-sedikit soal cara saya membaca dalam bahasa Inggris. Terus memahami bahasa Inggris itu bagaimana ya.
I got more confident with during this discussion in English, and also I became more fluently to talk and to discuss in English in this class especially.
How many percentage you think your English has improved in terms of confidence level and the speaking skill?
30%?
40%?
70%.
17% ya. At first kita pasti kan shy gitu ya buat ngomong Inggris.
Right.
Cuman makin lama makin di kelas kan ngomong Inggris terus, jadinya pasti improve terus jadinya kita bisa lebih express our opinion in English gitu.
I feel like my confidence have been quite improving, because in my daily life I've been using English to talk with my friends, and I've been using it, and it's been quite familiar for me to speak English. So but it's pretty nice to have a learning based English style in this class, because I can learn a lot about leadership and business style English, which is have been like improving a lot about my grammar and stuff, and also vocabulary. So I think it's a good idea.
Okay, so you got a lot of benefits from this class. And in terms of percentage, can you mention a number?
I think because I'm already familiar, probably it's around 30%.
Why do you think UBM should create more classes? I mean, like English-based classes. Why?
Okay, in my opinion, I think why UBM should to be provide more English-based classes, because we know the English is very important in nowadays.
Right.
Like just Ivana and Tini said, they improve about 70% of their English in this class, because me too, about 70%. Because before this class, I think my English is very bad, because I've never used English in daily or speak with friends. Yes, but in this class, we speak to each other, use English. So our confidence also increase, like Calvin said and Angel said. So UBM must to be provide more English-based classes to meningkatkan kemampuan Inggris kita semua.
for its students.
Gitu.
If we search a job or business, its requirement, one of requirement should menguasai Inggris. Itu kayak udah jadi kayak minimal banget gitu. Karena kalau misalnya kita ngomongin pekerjaan, pasti kita akan berhubungan dengan interkultural ya. Kadang ada orang dari mana, kita harus bisa berbicara juga gitu.
Right.
Nah, dan juga kalau bisnis sekalipun kita tuh nggak berelasi sama orang Indonesia, bahkan sampai ke luar negeri gitu. Makanya kalau kita mau memperbesar kapasitas, kita juga harus bisa belajar minimal bahasa Inggris gitu.
Right.
Mahasiswanya sendiri mendapatkan kayak yang tadinya bahasa Indonesia doang gitu, mungkin ya kayak saya kan dulu basicnya ya ini bahasa Indonesia doang, dan sekarang mulai mengerti gitu bahasa Inggris. Dan karena juga UBM kan juga lagi go internasional ya, Miss.
Right.
Jadi,
So it's the right moment.
Iya.
Yes.
Jadi menurut saya untuk kelas-kelas bahasa Inggris sih kalau bisa diperbanyak sih ya.
It's make student practice English more better. Nah, jadi menurut saya di UBM ini harus memperbanyak kelas lagi sih. Jadi biar mahasiswanya Inggrisnya lebih baik, karena di future kita kerja kan base-nya minimal pakai bahasa Inggris.
Yeah, they will ask your English skill. Okay. Thank you so much.